Everyone likes potato chips, but there's one problem. They're unhealthy. Modifying recipes for our health benefits is the opportunity I inquired into. This opportunity is important to me because my family always eats potato chips while watching a movie. I incorporated the design cycle into my maker project by asking juicy questions and imagining what it would look like. After that I would plan it out on a sheet of paper. Then I would try to create what I had planned. When I had finished creating, I would improve it by doing some research and finding out which one was the healthiest potato chip recipe. I found that the air fryer was the healthiest potato chip recipe because it uses little to no oil. Potato chips healthier. My 3 juicy questions are: how can you make potato chips healthier with the same flavor? How does cooking oil affect the potato chips? And why does microwave potato chips take less time than oven? This picture shows what I had planned out on the piece of paper. This is where I found when I researched what ingredients would be healthier with the potato chips. One thing that I've learned in this experience is that you can have fun while doing hard work. One thing that works well are how the healthy and delicious the potato chips turned out. Something that I found challenging was getting the potato chips to get cooked all the way through. One thing that I've learned through this exhibition is baking is not all ingredients. One thing that I've learned about myself is that I love cooking. My thinking has changed over the course of this exhibition because I thought the microwave potato chips would be the healthiest, but the air fryer was the healthiest because it uses little to no oil. Now I can be healthy while I eat potato chips.